Guys, on this quick video, I want to talk to you about some good news if you're an Nvidia shareholder. Really great news for you, right? The demand for Nvidia's AI chips continue to soar. The CEO Jensen Huang just came out and said that, hey, the Nvidia demand is insane. There's plenty of demand for what Nvidia has to offer in terms of its AI chips. Now, this is largely due and driven by the company's cutting edge, obviously GPUs like the H100 and its upcoming Blackwell series, which is talked about a little bit in this article that I pulled. But this Blackwell series is going to be really, really essential for advanced AI workloads. Nvidia's partnerships, such as its recent expansion with the company Accenture, is aimed at further accelerating the adoption of AI in enterprise settings across all the different companies that are trying to expand their AI reach, right, and their growth in terms of AI. So looking at this article, guys, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang says the demand for next generation Blackwell AI chip is quote unquote insane, right? So the article talks about, I'm just going to run through this article real quick so you guys can understand that this is really great news for Nvidia shareholders. And it's really good news if you even own Nvidia in an ETF, right? It's still going to be positive for you. The CEO Jensen Huang said in an interview with CNBC that demand for the company's next generation AI chip Blackwell is insane. He said everybody wants to have the most and everybody wants to be the first. And shares of Nvidia were up about 3% starting out yesterday morning. Now, Blackwell itself is pretty expensive, guys. Blackwell is expected to cost between $30,000 and $40,000 per unit. Right, that's a ton, right? And there's been some people trying to weigh the potential return on that investment of such expensive AI equipment. But obviously, based on the demand for it, many companies are saying, okay, we need it and we're willing to pay for it, right? But according to Jensen Huang, it's in hot demand from companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, Meta, and other firms that are building AI data centers to power products like ChatGPT and Copilot. When it gives you this short list of companies, guys, we have to remember that Nvidia is also a major player when it comes to all of the Mag 7 companies, right? Whether it's Tesla, whether it's Google or Alphabet, whether it's Amazon, they all are the customers to Nvidia. So Nvidia is supplying all the big boys and all the small players and everybody in between is their customer, right? So Nvidia is well positioned. This is great news, not only if you own Nvidia as a single stock, like I said earlier, but even if you own it as an ETF, because it means growth. The article goes on to say that Nvidia has been the main beneficiary of the AI boom, with shares up about 150% year to date. Now listen, when you look at the chart for Nvidia for the year, over the last 3 to 4 months, guys, Nvidia has hovered around the $110 per share to the $130 per share. It's been in that kind of that holding pattern for about 3 to 4 months as a stock price. So even with it being in a holding pattern for the last 3 or 4 months between 110, 130, somewhere around there, it's still up 150% year to date. So the company's revenue, and I'll just keep reading the article, the company's revenue has continued to surge during the fiscal second quarter to $30 billion. By the way, 26 billion of that was from data centers and the growth of data centers. But the second quarter, it was at 30.04 billion in terms of top line revenue, up 122% on an annual basis year over year. Now, it expects, and it said this at its last earnings meeting, that their top line revenue will go to about 32.5 billion in sales during the current quarter, and they'll be reporting on that at their next earnings report. And they'll be looking for their revenue to have gone from 30 billion up to 32 billion in sales. Hey guys, if you're getting value from this video, do me a small favor and share this video with someone you know who could use this valuable information. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Now, let's get back to the video. So, Nvidia is looking for continued steady growth. And a lot of that growth is fueled by this high demand. that they're talking about here in this article in terms of their next AI chip, Blackwell. Now, it also goes on to say that at a time when the technology is moving so fast, it gives us an opportunity to triple down, to really drive the innovation cycle so that we can increase capabilities, increase our throughput, decrease cost, and decrease our energy consumption. This is what the CEO Huang told CNBC. We're on a path. We're on a path to do that, and everything's on track. Now, the CFO, Colette Kress, said in August at the earnings meeting that the company expects to ship several $billion in Blackwell revenue in the company's fourth fiscal quarter, which is upcoming. So I say all that to say this. Everything is rolling along with this particular company. All of the quantitative and all of the qualitative data still looks good for this company. So this is really great news if you own Nvidia. But the thing we got to do, guys, is we have to be patient with these volatile technology stocks. We've seen how they can go up and they can go way down in a matter of days. Your job, if you're an investor in Nvidia, is just to be patient, right? Don't get too high, don't get too low. Relax yourself, be patient, understand that it's a volatile stock and the stock price is going to be controlled by outside factors, right? A lot of geopolitical stuff that happens and all different types of things that can affect the stock price, right? So if we're an investor of Nvidia, we're taking all that into consideration along with our risk tolerance. If you can't stomach it, if you can't stomach some volatility, Nvidia may not be the single stock that you should own. Also, guys, if you're wondering how much Nvidia that you should have in your stock portfolio or in your investment portfolio, you need to check out this video that I'm going to put right here so you can kind of make a determination what your allocation should be. Should it be 10% of my money in one single stock called Nvidia, or should it be 50%, right? If you're thinking about Nvidia as an investment, or you're already invested in it, or other technology stocks, you need to know how much of those stocks or how much of Nvidia you should actually be investing in. So check out that video next. I just wanted to give you this quick video to say, hey, this is great news for Nvidia stockholders. Guys, if you got any value out of this quick video, do me a favor and smash that like button and drop me a comment below. Let me know, what is your position in Nvidia right now? Are you buying and holding? Are you trying to do some options trading with it? Or are you looking to get into it and maybe start investing in Nvidia? Let me know in the comments section below. Hey guys, the best person to take care of the old you is the young you. Guys, take good care of yourself and take care of other people. Until the next video, peace. Hey guys, I offer financial mentoring and coaching. Anything that you're looking to get better with in terms of your personal finances, I can help you with. Everything I talk about on this channel, from budgeting to managing your money better, to actually investing your money, to figuring out ways to save your money or ways to actually bring in more income with side hustles, all those things I can help you with. In the description box of this video, you'll find links to my personal one-on-one financial mentoring and coaching. You'll also see a link to my schedule. Please feel free to hop on that schedule and let me help you get better with your money. No matter what it is, I'm willing to spend some time one-on-one helping you. All right? Until the next video, peace.